Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Life Tommy C. I'm your host, Tommy Cam. I'm going to talk about today at the Excel Center. And I got to tell you something. Holy cow. The staff there are so very nice. Today, what we started looking into is it's like the days in like Earth and space science right now. And I feel really, really excited about that. Plus, also, just to show you guys my current show, this is called Ice Norpole Hotel. So you guys know that the North Pole is in Antarctica. And that's where we say where Santa Claus lives, okay? But this place is an actual airport where actual people touch down and they work. And then after that, there's like a couple of like ideas we can use, like outside when it snows. This actually gave me an idea. We can either use like the snow method or we can use like a computer method. The computer method is like we use all the computers and navigate it like on a system and then bring it up. And then after that, we use it to calibrate all the computers. And then what I found interesting about computers, which I didn't know, thanks to my dad for thanks for my dad for giving me like these books. Like honestly, these books are remarkable. They go deeper digest on computers. They show you how to sign in and sign out. They show you how to use a client access, which I think that is really interesting. Plus also there is like multiple different stuff you guys can look on like a computer. There's like YouTube, there's like Facebook, there's like Walmart. All those are client access. Like each YouTube creator uses like their own, they use youtube.com, but they have their own YouTube URL. And then after that, what I think is really amazing from like a different standpoint, like on computers, and like airports and computers are kind of like because at airports you got to have like a computer to show you around, or the aircraft will get lost. And then after that, there's like the automatic terminal information system. They have one for arrivals and one for departures. And a one for arrivals and departures, if you guys think those look interesting, wait until you guys see the frequency for air traffic control. Now that frequency is all over the frequency ranges that we talked about in my last two videos. Now TSA, the Transportation Security Administration, uses like their own database. Like they have a drug computer, they have they use a system like of .gov, okay? So like that .gov shows you like a different amounts of like computer data. It shows you like the different amounts of like signature data. It also shows you like multiple different stuff. Now, like a computer, we can talk about, for instance, Chrome, the Chromebooks, because we are all currently trying to use those for like our schools. Chromebooks uses a thing called Chrome OS, means operating system. And that probably has Intel in it for like security. But we don't know. We have to find that out by using the different radio stuff that is on like radio reference, like on NCAP radio. Now you guys probably think, like, Tommy, like, how in the world did you figure out learning about this and thinking about that people would think this would be interesting? I used like the YouTube algorithm. And then after that we have like so many different options. Like the Aruba airport and the airport at Heathrow, those two airports go in a line with different airport methods. Now, with those methods, you guys gotta think, are we seriously going to do this? Are we going to do this or are we not going to do this? So like number one, you guys can choose like an idea, like access controls and video surveillance. You guys could do that. And then after that, there's like a website you guys can use called NiagaraFallsLive.com, which shows so many stuff about that. Plus also, let you guys know, like some other things I think that look maybe interesting for like different people. I think at airports, if you guys use like the TSA, you guys get an all around universal layer. And then after that, the Indianapolis airport, which I was like so close to, like if I bring my radio scanner, my BC 125 AT, and I paired up with their channel over there at the Indianapolis International Airport, I could listen to it like all day. But I had to stay focused like on my bowling because I got third place. And then after that, so many different people like looks into like a different layer of like security. Your security level 1, your security level 2, there's security level 3. Each security level are like a main difference for different people. So you guys have to imagine if you guys are at a job that has security level Alpha, Beta, and Bravo. I don't know what your work has, but if you guys do have that, let me know in the comments below so I can make a video about that. Now, at different workplaces, they use like different radios. Like at Cook Medical and Catalent, they both use DMR radios here in Bloomington, which links up with the buses that go over there at Twin Lakes Recreation and goes all the way to like go like over there to like the different areas. And then after that you got you guys can like go look around like at the different radio stuff. I'm just honestly just trying to be true to you guys so you guys can understand about that. So like act like you guys are on a job and you guys want to go like on a site visit, but you guys don't even have time for it. That's the only problem that you guys have for like a parking. Parking is the main point at an airport. So they have to have economy parking, they have to have business parking, And they also got to have parking for their employees, like to get on the airfield. That's security level 1 or above. Act like that, okay? And then after that, if you guys go over to the air traffic control building, you guys have to have amount of communication with the different units at that place just to make sure you guys are in the right area. Alright guys, that's it for today's video on airport learning and about security learning. If you guys would like more videos about this, make sure you guys give this a big thumbs up and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys will not miss any videos.